Hello Noneothers and welcome back to a new video with your host, Talos. Now today, we're taking out the baby, the Corvette, because it's actually snowing in Vegas, which is unheard of. So we're gonna take it out, do some car drifting. I meet with some friends, and who knows, maybe we'll have a little car meet. Holy crap, guys. We're here with the Corvette testing out the traction control off while it's snowing. Are we even in Vegas right now, dude? Are we even in Vegas right now? That was awesome, man. Alright, we're gonna take out the Aston Martin now. We set the invite out to all of our friends so we can, you know, do a little snow drifting. Big 2X. You wanna build a snowman? You're gonna build a snowman on top of your M3?
You can make a big one there.
JP is always late. Damn him. Just poke a hole in it. How was your drift?
Pretty satisfying.
Pretty satisfying?
Satisfying.
Or snow harder now.
It's like this in Rainbow?
You brought your car after all, huh? You brought your car afterwards, huh?
Get the snow off.
Yeah, no. Start drifting your snow off.
Might as well take some pictures like this.
Yeah, take off your TC, man. Picked up another Miata here. What's going on? Another Miata. We got two Miatas now.
Who drives the other Miata?
Need more practice, man.
Did you in the first gear or second?
God. Oh shit. That was awesome. Holy fuck. That's what I'm talking about. Oh shit. Oh my god. The power. Oh my god. Wow. Alright guys, hope you guys liked that video. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, especially if you like drifting in the snow. It's super dark out obviously, so I turn a bit of my lights on. Now for today's sponsored video is Turo, the ride renting app where you can pretty much rent out vehicles similar to what we got today. Use my link below for $25 off your first rental. So check it out and enjoy a little snow drifting yourself. And of course, precaution to drive as safely as possible. This is a controlled environment that we were in, so definitely be careful of how you ride in the road, especially if it's slippery out. Definitely drive carefully. So drive safe out there. Love you guys. Stay awesome. I'll see you next video. Until next time, stay out. Bye.